Alright, so I know that this unit is from Juliahair because I can tell by the box. This orange, bright orange box is a Juliahair box. All of this is my first time working with this company. I have seen their boxes before from like friends and like social media, and like I said, this is Juliahair. Let's bust this open and see what's inside. It says, "Hey beauty, your happiness and satisfaction are at the top of our priorities." So cute. This thing is packed, y'all. Of course, we got our little Juliahair bag. I love this orange, it's so cute. I just love how every company is like different branding. I've got like a cheetah print melting band. That's so freaking cute. And it's orange, still on theme. HD wig caps, makeup brush. And now for this wig. Oh wait, we got more stuff, y'all. Look, it's falling out. HD wig caps. And another melting band. This one says Juliahair, bright orange, so cute. So this is a 24-inch wig, cherry curly, in the color Reddish-Brown. Okay, and look at this. This is a glueless wig, you guys. Look at that. Straight out the box. Bomb. And look at the curls on it. And these curls are just gonna curl up so pretty, I can already tell. This is what the lace is looking like, a closure, and this is a lot of closure space. We can do plenty of styles with this right here. You got our elastic band in the back, adjustable band, bomb. I don't know why I've been asleep on this right here, the NYX glosses. This is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm about to be wearing this everywhere now. Like, I'm about to go buy every shade actually. Yeah, people buy them for a reason. Like, that is so cute. Look, my lips look so cute. So here's the unit, y'all, and we gonna put this on straight out the box because you know this unit is already very customized. So let's put it on. No makeup, no bleaching, no plucking. We just gonna go straight in. Ugh. And they got this band in here so you can get it real tight on your head. Yeah, this is definitely glueless, y'all. I mean, literally glueless. This thing is tight. All right, so all I'm gonna do right now is just hot comb this wig and get this top flatty flats. My wax stick and my hot comb. Oh my god, that's hot. Oh my god. All right, so hot combing is done. Now I'm going with this and push this hairline, like push the hair kind of out my face. I kind of tried to hot comb it back, but I didn't want to burn myself, so I'm just going to do it with this spray and push it back like this. And we're going to do a no baby hair look today. Since this wig already is like going back, the hair's already going back, it's already pre-plugged and everything, we're just going to keep the shape that it is and have like a clean no baby hair look. This lace looks really good for me not to have put no makeup on it. Like wet. Okay, and I'm gonna take this, not too much because I'm not trying to burn myself, but a little bit of concealer for the parts. let's get into it, you guys. All right, it's looking really good, but we do still need to define these curls. So I'm gonna spray this water, spray the wig with the water, get it really nice and wet, and comb through the curls really good. All right, one side is done, and look at these curls. Look at these juicy curls for the girls. Get into the curls for the girls, very much giving what it needs to give. Like, yeah, period. Real cute, real cute, yes. Okay, and look at the giving. Pre-plucked, okay? Pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. Let's really get into it. All right, same thing to the other side, PRP. All right, so both sides have been detangled and wet, and the curls are very much giving, you guys. Real pretty. So I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on the lace because I feel like you can see it a little bit, like it looks a little white. So let's try putting a little bit makeup on it. I think that helps. Yeah. Okay, and I'm also gonna trim the ends just a little bit. Just a little, and put a little bit of layers in the front of this wig because I just know that this is gonna dry so freaking pretty. This already just looks so good. Like, I just love some wet curly hair. I could wear my hair like this out. This is so cute to me. This is so cute to me. And I just love the way the lace just melts into my skin. Like, and all I did was put a little bit of makeup, a little dab of makeup on it. No plucking, no cutting the lace, no bleaching. Just a bomb wig. Like, it's giving scalp. Period. I'm gonna fix this concealer on my head because it do look almost like white. Almost looks a little too pale, so let's do concealer that's a little darker. I like that better, a darker shade. This wig looks so good, y'all. Cut this a little bit in the front. That looks perfect. Yeah. Same thing over here. And we're gonna trim the ends just a teensy bit. Ends are pretty full already though, so we don't need to trim too much. Bomb. This is so pretty, y'all. This looks so pretty. eating. Yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, just look at these little curls. Look at the curls, y'all. I love this. All right, so I'm gonna wait for this hair to dry and then I'll be back. No, I love these curls on here, y'all, for real. Y'all know I love me some curly hair. Every time I say it, I love some curls. I love it. Yeah, look at my hair. Like, be so for real. Look at the curls and look at the volume. Like, the curls is just giving. No, this is actually so cute. Y'all, literally pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Like, and this wig is full and pretty. Like, everything is done for you already. Like, get into the hairline. Yeah, no effort. And this was so fast to do. This video might be so quick because this wig install was so quick to do. It took no time. And this hair is so soft and fluffy. So pretty, so fluffy. Literally, I'm in love. So pretty, so this turned out so perfect. Love this unit, love the fullness, love the bounciness, love the color. Again, on the fullness of this unit, I love that it comes pre-plucked and they plucked it good too. And then glueless, y'all. Literally glueless. This wig is all that and a bag of chips. And then this length looks so good. It's just really the curls for me and the fullness. The wig is still not even all the way dry yet. Like, it's so damp, so it's gonna be even more. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. Like, what? This hair is so pretty. Alright, y'all, and that's the end of this video, the end of this install. And this wig is from Juliahair. Once again, this is their Reddish-Brown Wear and Go glueless wig, 6 by 4.75 pre-cut and pre-plucked wig. And the link to this wig will be down below in my description. And they do have a coupon on this wig right now. It's like 32% off, y'all. So this wig is affordable on their website. And I literally love the way this hair turned out. Y'all know I love jerry curly hair, so this install turned out so bomb. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. And thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.